Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. So, in this little episode, what we've got is where I left off. It's a couple of days since I left you off. Obviously I had to get a new belt, which took a pretty good couple of days to come. I've got the Weibang on its side, carb side up, obviously. It's an SV46 SP. Now, I've got the new belt. Usually, all you need to do with this is take your boss off, take your plastic covering off, drop your gears on that side, variable speed, drop it to the lowest point, and then to the highest point, sorry, and then that'll pull the cable up, and then it'll give you more room to get the belt on. Obviously I'll come back to you when I've got that belt on, but yeah, it's looking pretty tidy under there. It's not done much work. It's a 20, I think he got it 2021, this model. So yeah, so what I'm meaning is by the cable, the variable speed, is if I see how that's on one, if I push that right up, sorry about the camera, and there you go, look, it's adjusted the variable speed, so it has pulled that cable there nice and tight. So now that'll give me a bit more room to get my belt on. So what I'll do, I'll come back to you, I'll get the belt on, and then we'll go through the next process. Is I've got the new belt. It's around the crank of the mower. It's gone through the bottom gears, pulleys, and then it's gone round the back pulley there. So that is on nice and tight now. So what I'll do, I'll just nip round and I will show you. Now if I put that belt on, you can see there upside down folks, sorry about that. I've put that belt on, basically it's running speed, as I like to call it, and as you can see, that's lovely and tight, so it's catching on there, and then it's running on. Basically it's just a tensioner, you know, it's just tensions the belt onto the crank. Obviously it makes it go faster. So what I'll do, there's two bosses to this. There's the pulley boss, there's another boss there. As you can see, I'm going to get that bit of a clean up, and then we'll put that back on, put the woodruff key back in, button it all up. I'll sharpen the blade, balance it. So what I've done, I've got the belt on, everything outside, and all I've done is I've got the blade on the bench, and as you can see out there, I hold you up, it's as blunt as anything, that. Same on that side. So all I'm going to do is good old flappy grinding disc on it, and then I'm going to get rid of that nice or should I say horrible gouges in it, and then we're going to give it a nice sharp edge. So when I've done that, I'll come back to you. And don't forget guys, you must wear your PPE, otherwise you don't want to get, I have learnt the hard way with that. When I was younger, I had a nice chunk of metal in my eye for 2 weeks and it wasn't nice. So right, wear your PPE. So where you can see there is we've brought that lovely edge back. You can see it, there we go, look. So we brought that lovely edge back, and that is sharp. That is sharp as anything, that. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it round, and then we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. and then I will show you back when it's on the mower, and then I'll give it a clean up. I've got no paint left. So guys, if you are watching, guys and girls and subscribers and non-subscribers, if you do like the channel, I will put in fact, there's a link to my Amazon wish list, which there's a few things on there what I'm running low of, or if you want to buy me a coffee, there's one, cup of tea in my place, there's a link to that as well. So there we go. So 2 minutes, everything's buttoned up, blades back on, blades sharpened, belts in, new belt. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it a little jet wash and protect it with this lano seal. What is well, I like it, to be honest. So I'll put you on a little on the stand. Just give me a second, folks. I am trying to do it one-handed. So if I just clip you beautiful lot there. Sorry about the sirens. Right. So I'll just put yous on the stand there, move this chair out of the way. Right, so there we go. You can see what I'm seeing. Just turn your power washer down. That's going to need turning up. What about that, folks? Whee! Oh, get that off. Look at me here, folk. Covered in it. Covered in it. Right, so all I'm going to do now is I'll leave you there with me. You can see how clean that is now underneath. It's fantastically clean, that. But as you can see, it started taking all the paint off, which obviously is not good. So I'm just going to use my lano seal. Like I said before, I'm no way affiliated with this company. I have done some research in it myself, and I find it's fantastic. And all it does, it just squeeze it on. When I'm not broke my nozzle. Get rid of that. Get rid of that water. Not the mower, Rob, not the mower. And then just lubricate. Needs a new nozzle that. Lubricate all the gubbins underneath. Yeah, definitely needs a new nozzle. So, Mr. Lano Shield, if you are watching Dave at Lano Shield, that's the only problem I have found with these, the triggers. That's not so clever that. Right, but anyway, you get the gist. Leave it there. You get the gist with that. Just protect it all. And then, but as you can see, that's job done. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So, thanks for watching another episode, guys. I appreciate that. And don't forget, if you do like the channel, head over. There's a link in the description if you want to buy me a coffee. Also, me an Amazon wish list. And even if you're not subscribed, just hit that bell, hit that like, and it helps me out massively. So, till the next one, stay safe. God bless you all.
Thanks for watching Rob's Small Engine Repair. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe.